so let's talk some special matrices that MATLAB has. Okay, well, we have, if you want to create identity matrix, you can write I, yeah, EYI, that's that I. Okay, I want to create, let's say, 5 by 5 identity matrix. I'm going to type I5, that's it. That's how you get identity matrix of 5 by 5 size. Okay, if I type I, let's say what happens, 1 comma 2. So it will create a matrix of 1 row and 2 columns. And this is going to create a matrix of 4 comma 9. So you see, it basically creates, it will basically create 4 comma, like an identity matrix of 4 by 4, and the other column and rows are going to be 0. That's what I does. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, let me create a matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. I'm gonna do 1 8 7 3 2 some number 9 and then 1, let's say 8 and 2. Okay, so we have matrix A, and now let me try to find upper triangular and lower triangular matrix of A. How do we do that? Well, one is stored in, let's say, B. Okay, so base, no, let's store in L. This is going to be my lower triangular matrix, and lower triangular matrix, for that you can write just try and then L for lower of A, and this is going to return me lower triangular matrix of matrix A. And if you want the upper triangular matrix, you can just write try and then U. All of them have to be in a small case. Perfect, that's how you get upper triangular matrix. So also there is one more interesting thing called magic. This is a magical matrix creation technique. So if I write magic 3, it will give me a 3 by 3 matrix in which the numbers when added in a column or in a row will result in the same answer. For example, if you add 8 3 and 4, that has to be equal to 159, and also that has to be equal to 816 or 492. So let's do that. If you want to do 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 3 is 15, so 15 in this column, 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 9 15 in this column. Let's see what happens in this row. 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 7 15 in this row. So you see that's what magic basically does. Okay, if I want to create magic 8, also the entries are gonna be all integer always. That's what that is like this special case. You want to find out more, you can just type in help magic. That's it. Yep, you see. Okay, great. What else do we have? Clear all the workspace is gone. Clear my screen.